Rekawa Beach is truly a hidden gem on Sri Lanka's southern coast. Imagine walking along endless stretches of golden sand with crystal-clear waters lapping at your feet. What sets this place apart is its incredible biodiversity. It's a sanctuary for sea turtles, where endangered species like leatherbacks, loggerheads, and greens come ashore to nest. Witnessing these majestic creatures in their natural habitat is nothing short of magical. Rekawa Beach isn't just a place to relax, it's a vital ecological site that reminds us of the beauty and importance of nature.